We have a little section on our website that explains about the Goose philosophy. When I do a guided tour, parents will come and book an appointment, and when I take anybody around school, I discuss it as we start the tour. In my office I have a large picture of a goose that's looking out to the sea, and I always say, how do you think that single goose feels? And if there's a child there, they'll say, we're a bit sad, lonely. And I say, nobody in our school feels like that, because we're very supportive, and when we go and visit the classes, I'll get the children to explain what the Goose philosophy is, so that it comes from the children. So there's that very, very clear underpin that it is in the school community. It's not just something that we as the staff are laying on the top.